My name is Christopher and I will be your host today as we explore the fascinating world of one of the most amazing creatures of the sea, the dolphins. Well, here on Ocean Adventure, you will see that they come in all shapes and sizes. So, let's introduce our friends to you one by one. Alright, so first off is we have our female bottlenose dolphin, and her name is Nala. And last but not the least, we have our male bottlenose dolphin, and his name is Enzo. That's the way you know. Good job. Alright. Now, our dolphins are very friendly animals, and they would like to welcome you with a nice wave below. Come on, guys, say hi. Come on, everybody, say hi. Alright. Okay, guys. Good job, okay, now ladies and gentlemen, whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish, are they? That's right, they're mammals just like you and me, but how can we tell? First, fish move their tails from side to side like this. Show them, guys. Look at that. That looks really funny, right? But you know what? For dolphins, their tail looks that powers them through the water. It actually moves up and down.
Parang kapal ng balata, no?
Side to side, like a fish. Alright, so Enzo and Nala, show them how you do it. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You see that? I told you their tails moves up and down and not side to side like a fish. Now, we know that our marine mammal friends, they breathe air. But how do they do it? Well, they use the blowhole on the top of their heads. Now, everybody, listen. Alright, now that blowhole has a lid that opens and closes so no water gets inside. Did you know that these dolphins are excellent divers? Well, because they can dive as deep as 1,000 feet and they can even hold their breath for about 8 to 10 minutes. That's really hard, right? And you know what? They all